Hunan Yunbang Biotech Inc. was established in 2008, old name are Beijing Yunbang Biosciences Company, Limited. We are a professional in biological buffer, glycobiology, reagent raw materials and fine chemicals manufacturer. We has a 800T buffer and 200T glucoside production lines, labs including gas chromatography, moisture titrator, potentiometric titrator, melting point meter, polarimeter, ultraviolet spectrophotometer, conductivity, turbidity meter, electrodialysis desalination device etc. Can self-test most of the product parameters, the first time to confirm whether the product is qualified. After years of accumulation, Yunbang has also occupied a place in the international market and enjoys a good reputation. At present, its products have been exported to Europe, America, South America and Southeast Asia, and it has cooperated with many well-known enterprises, opening up a long-term mutual benefit. Win cooperation mode. We adhere to the principle of serving pharmaceutical companies and creating brands to provide customers with high-quality and low-cost pharmaceutical and chemical products to achieve win-win cooperation and common development.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.